Hey everybody, welcome to my channel where I share with you my photography and my adventures getting my photography. But this is my monthly episode where I share with you how much money I made selling my images as stock photography. Let's do this. And oh, by the way, we're in Japan. Yes, the Japan adventure is happening. Make sure you click the subscribe button so you do not miss any part of it. Let's start off this episode with the images that sold for the first time. We have a new industry low. The first two images are from Getty Images and sold for both 2 and 6 cents. Getty needs to up their game. So I like showing you guys the images that are selling for the first time because it's kind of cool, especially if they're very recent ones. But here are some of the best-selling images from some of the agencies that I upload to. Can Stock Photo had an unusually high selling image of $1.50. This is an image from Laniakea Beach in Hawaii, where the sea turtles go to bask in the sun. Getty Images' top seller this month was $1.55. This is a winter image of the American side of Niagara Falls, as seen from the Canadian side. The falls are lit up in a variety of colors at night. I had a rare sale on Pond 5. This is a monsoon here in Arizona during sunset. It earned me $1.75. My top seller on Adobe was another image of the U.S. Capitol, earning me $11.89. Shutterstock brings in the big money this month at $15.05. This is a deliberately out of focus image of a Christmas tree looking into the windows of the Copper Queen Hotel in Bisbee, Arizona. I shot this last year on one of my adventures with my dad, which, by the way, you'll be seeing another one with him after Japan. So I also sold some video this month. So here is how each one of my stock agencies did and how many images I have uploaded. Now again, for those of you who are trying to think about making this a lifestyle, I want you to take a look at how many images I have uploaded compared to the actual income, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of an idea about how much you actually make in stock photography. Again, for me, this is a hobby and I save that money and I put a little fun so I can travel. But here it is. So this is how this October stacked up against past Octobers. Well, there you go, guys. That's how much I've made in stock photography for the month of October 2021. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. And of course, if you subscribe, you get to enjoy all the episodes from Japan that are about to start happening. See you guys next time.